Have you recapped your old sounds and tricky words already? Let's get ready for today's sound. But first, let's recap all of the different sounds that this letter Y makes. Do you remember what sound it makes in these words? What about these words? What sound does it make in these words? Gym, myth, pyramid, crystal. What sound does it make in these words? Funny, happy, smelly, crunchy. Y, y. I, I. I, I. E, E. Y, I, I. E with me. Y, I, I. E, y, I, I. E, y, I, I. E, y, I, I. E. Ooh, that was fast. Well done. Hopefully you'll remember some of those spellings now. Very tricky when one letter makes so many different sounds. Remember the Y can make a Y, I, or E sound. Now, today's lesson, we're going to look all at tricky words. How many can you read? Have a go at sounding them out and blending them so you can read the words together. Ready? You'll go first. Can you read that word? M, e, n, e. Many. Did you read it right? If not, have another go. Do you know what this word is? Laughed. Laughed. Have a go at this word. Now, some of you might not need to blend the words. You might be able to just read it straight away. What word is this one? B, e, k, o, s. Because. Well done. What's this word? E, n, e. Any. P, e, s. Please. Your go. Once. Once. Do you know this word? Friends. Friends. Oh, this is tricky. Eyes. Some of you might not need to sound it out. Ooh, can you read this one? Different. Ready? Different. 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 Let's see if I can speed through all of those sounds again. I wonder if you can read the words straight away now. Ready? I'm going to go fast. Speed words. Say it out loud. Tricked you. Well done. One last go. Really quick. Well done, everyone. Oh, that was too quick, that one. Okay, what about these sentences now? These sentences have tricky words in. Can you read the whole sentence? Ooh. Have a go. Many of my friends laughed because I wore 2 different shoes. Did you read it correctly? Try again and pause the video if not. Your turn. I opened my eyes, laughed once, and said please. One more sentence. I didn't want any tea because I ate too many sweets. Well done, everyone. I hope you feel super confident reading those tricky words. If you found any of them hard, perhaps go back and see if you can read them again and watch the video again. Good job, everyone. Time for the game.